Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless.
What's up, everybody? Hey, check it out today. All right, today is a special day. Why? Because we get to go drive this again. Actually, every day is a special day now because I drive that thing every day. But the real reason why we're out here in the garage today is, see this? Damn whatever is in the tire. Now, I need to check this here tire because I did drive it a little bit on the road, and I just don't know if I don't think I ruined the tire at all, but I don't want to have anything happen with this tire because sometimes we go like 5 miles per hour over the speed limit, and I don't want any issues. As you can see, this here is a V. It's got, yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna take the tire off.
Anxiety's infectious, I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home.
Alright, look at that. Looks like there might have been a nail or something that I run over. Now my only concern, like I said, would be just this sidewall. I'll have him maybe take a look at that sidewall there. So, P.S. I normally run down to, there's a good buddy of mine, Steve. He owns the Provo Big O tires. So, if any of you are around or need tires, or in the Utah County area, run down and see Steve. He's gonna treat you right. Tell him I sent you in. You could tell him Scatter Dad. I'm sure, he knows who I am. But anyways, today I've got to run my daughter down to she's got something she's doing, so I'm gonna take her. We're gonna take the beast. We're gonna go down. We're going to well, after I drop her off, I'm just gonna run this down to the local tire shop here and see if they can just do the tire repair on that. Saturday, I slept in. Anyways, I was just going to take that tire and take it over to old Steve. Steve, if you're watching this, I was gonna take it over to Steve and have him just take it into work and fix it, but I wasn't doing anything today, and I gotta take my daughter down there. And I got thinking, I gotta make a video. So I'm gonna make a video. This is the video. And we're gonna take it down. We're gonna get it fixed. And we're gonna put it back on. Simple. But this CTSV has been sitting for too long because of this dang tire. So I guess that's my other concern. I don't think it'll affect it too bad, but it's just been sitting on this flat for a little while. Should be still all right, but you never know. Oh wow, look at that. Look at the inside of this tire. It's all like, I think that got the brunt of the driving. So hopefully that's still okay. All right, check this out. So I've got on this Skull Ride hoodie. You can see in the videos. Anyways, I'll link up the website. It's the old Skull Rides. Yeah. Anyways, it's got some cool stuff. Go check them out. Alright, so what's up? Update on the tire for the CTSV. So I took it in. They said it'd take about an hour. They were busy, so like, you know, they weren't gonna get right to it. So it took them about an hour. So I went back, had some things, went and picked up my daughter, went to go pick up the tire, and they told me that it most likely was gonna bulge. Now I don't think they pumped it up to check, but you know, people in the tire industry, they kind of just know. Just like the lawn care industry, there's things I can just look at and be like, broken sprinkler. And people are like, well, how do you know? I just know. Anyways, so we're going to need a new tire on the rear. And so I'm basically... So anyways, before my GoPro so rudely interrupted me, I'm going to go buy some new tires. But I'm going to take it to the Provo BuY Tires, my buddy Steve. Great customer service. I buy all my tires from him. So anyways, that's what we're gonna do. So I did not get a tire today, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna take off the other one, and next week we'll take it in to Steve and we'll get a new tire. So, but anyways, check out this view. Now, yeah, I got some trees, but look at this. When we come down here, let's sit on our front porch. Okay, yeah, check out that view. Boom.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.